She's laughing about my English right here, so I'm gonna take some footage so she can tell me if it's that easy. Hello, my friends. Elias here with DG Construction, your best option, and we are at a new project right here. It was a water damage on the kitchen right here. So everything started right here under the sink. Another company came in and did the dry out. Let me kind of explain you what happened. Everything started with a leak right here on the sink area, and the company that came to do the dry out took out the base cabinets. We came out right here with the client wants to replace the base cabinets, but he's gonna replace everything at once. So we're gonna do a complete remodel of the kitchen. So we already took out all the upper cabinets, base cabinets, same thing right here in this area. And every time that we take the backsplash, the drywall come like in pieces and it start. It's more of a trouble to try to patch something like this. So we're gonna take it out completely and we're gonna put a new drywall right here. We're gonna replace complete the flooring. We are going to do some minor plumbing right here, like replacing the angle stops, paint on the whole kitchen, and that's it. It used to have a laminate flooring, and we were doing tile, a porcelain tile 24 by 48. We are installing new cabinets. We already paint, we already drywall. We are going to be running a electrical outlet right here for the new stove. We are already building the cabinets right here, and they're gonna have two tones. Bottom cabinets are gonna be on a navy blue, and top cabinets are gonna be white. We're doing a waterfall finish right here on this edge. I love it. All the full backsplash right here, same as in this area where the stove is gonna be. So if you guys remember, the water damage started right here in the sink. Another water restoration company already dry out everything, took out the cabinets, and then they called us to put everything back. This is how it went. Bottom cabinets on navy blue, everything stainless steel. The upper cabinets on white checker. Right here on this side, we have the refrigerator with the refrigerator panel, so it looks custom. Chrome molding right there on the top. Main thing to showcase right here on this kitchen. This quartzite, unfortunately, my team already put everything on top of it, so I cannot showcase it exactly how I want it, but they have pictures, so they're gonna put a couple pictures right here in this video. Very nice quartzite. Amazing how the guys follow all the lines. Almost match everything, and I would like to say almost, because sometimes if you want to match everything exactly, you need to spend a lot more material. So the colors and most of the veins are following the same flow right here. So we did the best that we could right there. Another thing that we did right here was the flooring, porcelain large format flooring. You can hardly see the seams right here, the grout lines. We try to go as small as possible so they don't have much cleaning to do. Again, this was the finished product. Let me know on the comments what do you think about it. Client is super happy, but I would like to know from you. What do you think about this? How we start and how we end? Thank you very much. Have a great day.